Good morning, traders. Another beautiful day to be giving you guys update on market outlook on US dollar pairs and gold. So let's dive straight into the video. So here on the US oil, we've seen the oil retrace down lower. Yesterday we had a retracement, and I'm expecting price to take out this liquidity, and maybe from there we can start seeing longs. We can start seeing more longs on US oil. That's simple. Market price action, sorry. So my target is for this high, this liquidity, this little bump in the road to be taken. So that's that for US oil. I don't have much to say on US oil, just this simple price action. So the next pair is gold. Gold is not looking good to be traded. Gold has been ranging since the week began, and gold is still ranging. And this kind of range is not the type of range you want to see yourself inside. This kind of range, you will just prefer I would prefer to see maybe a sweep of the high of the range, and then price will get to this supply zone, and then from there we can see more sell-off to the low of the range, and then from there we can tap into the demand. We can take liquidity and tap into demand of 4 hours demand. Yeah, that's what I'll be looking at for gold. Then the next pair I'm looking at is DXY. Next pair is DXY. DXY hasn't taken. Okay, we already had first liquidity taken on DXY, so I'm expecting the second liquidity to also be grabbed because this is actually 50% of the entire move. We should use our discount to. So no, actually, price has gotten to 50% of the move, and we already had one liquidity here. But this is actually a significant liquidity for price to grab. Yeah, and hopefully we'll get to this. But for now, we will just follow price action. Obviously, supply is still in control. So if the ideal buy will only come when this supply has been broken. Once this supply gets violated, then we know that the buy is ready. But for now, all these are little bumps in the road for price to continue selling off. So the next pair I'll be looking at is what do we call it? Next pair I'll be looking at is Euro USD. Euro USD, here on Euro USD. Euro USD is also looking good. We've seen a demand remain in control over the past few days. So what do I want to see today? I want to see demand also hold. Presently, we are seeing 1 hour change of character for sales, and we already have this liquidity being taken. But it would have been nice to see this other liquidity above here being grabbed. But obviously now we can see this, what do we call it? We can see this change of character here as price has given us a change of character in the 1 hour time frame. And from there we might see price continue to drop lower. So if this holds, then this will be a nice trade to be taking. So in as much as we are seeing this change of character, we can still see price get to this low, and from there start pushing up again. Maybe take out this liquidity and from there start pushing up, because obviously demand is still in control. So the next pair I'll be looking at is GU. The next pair I'll be looking at is GU. GU also looking nice for sales. GU actually has grabbed liquidity also, and the GU is more cleaner than the rest of the pairs because GU already grabbed liquidity, and I'm seeing this kind of change of character stuff occurring here. So possibly we might start seeing sales on GU. So possibly we might start seeing sales from this zone now. So I want to see 15 minutes change of character. If I should drop to the 15 minutes, if I should get the change of character in the 15 minutes, then I'll know that price is really ready to sell. But actually what we got here is 15 minutes sweep, low sweep. So possibly we might start seeing the high might continue, because this price didn't displace below this low. This was not a displacement, this is liquidity grab. Liquidity sweep. So what I want to see now is price displace below here and then retrace, take this out as liquidity, and then from there we can start selling. That's that for GU. Very simple price action. AUD, this is a trade I'm currently still on. We got the opportunity to take AUD longs after we saw the change of character from the 15 minutes and the retracement. We got into this trade immediately after the change of character from this demand zone, using this as the demand zone to enter, and our stop loss was below. Although we already hit our target, which is the monthly open, but I'm still holding. And if I should get a change of character, then I will know that this trade has been violated. Then I will close. Once we get a change of character, once price takes this low, this is obviously a change of character, guys. This is obviously a change of character. Once price takes this Asian low, then it's obvious that price is ready to sell off. But for now, I'll still be holding this trade and hoping it will take this high, and the 4 hours or 1 hour swing high. So that's that for AUD, guys. That's that for AUD, because obviously we took this liquidity in 1 hour and we failed to take this low. So giving us signs that the uptrend is still holding. So what I want to see now is I want to see price at least take out this high, then maybe from there we can start selling off again on AUD. So that's that for AUD, guys. The next pair I'm looking at is NZD, New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar also kind of trending up, but the present trend is the swing trend is bullish, and the fractal trend is bearish. So we want to join the fractal trend. We don't want to be trading against the current trend. So what I was saying here, supply is in control, obviously, and we already had liquidity taken. Let me drop to the 1 hour. We already had liquidity taken. So what do I want to see here? In as much as we have kind of a change of character here, I want to see maybe price grab this liquidity above here, or this liquidity here, at least, or this liquidity here, or this one we already grab here. If we should get a change of character on this, then we know that price is ready to sell off. But if not, if we don't get a change of character on this, we'll just know that price is still going to push lower. So that's what I'll be expecting on NZD USD. So I'm still looking for more shorts on NZD USD. I'm looking for shorts on NZD USD. I don't know when it will come. Either it will come from this liquidity here or this one we already had here. But what will determine if the shorts are ready is when we get a change of character, either a fractal structure break or a swing change of character. So that's that for NZD. The next pair is USD CHF. USD CHF now looking good for buys, and we already see price pushing up. Though we didn't get to 50% of the move, but we obviously already had liquidity taking, and now we see price pushing with strong momentum. Yeah, we see price pushing after the London Open. We see price pushing significantly. So USD CHF is pushing strongly. This is a trade that would have been nice to take, but let's just wait for this liquidity sweep and then maybe a retracement to continue with the longs, because obviously you can't be buying this kind of price action. So this is a very nice trade that would have been delicious to take. So anyways, that's that for that. The next pair I'll be looking at is US dollar card. US dollar card hits monthly open, but we see price still pushing up because US dollar has more strength than card presently. We already hit 3 monthly open and yearly open, and price has been rejecting from that. Like I said in yesterday's video, price has rejected from this 3 monthly and yearly open significantly, like 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we see price coming back to it again and rejecting again. So what do we want to see here? I want to see price give me maybe a change of character, maybe take out this high and then create a change of character from this low, and then I'll target till this low here, because I'm still looking for shorts on this pair. Though price is kind of sketchy now, but I'm still looking for shorts on this pair. I'm still looking to see price take out this low here. The next pair I'm looking at is USDJPY. USDJPY also looking nice. We already had the swing high taken, and I would have liked to see a strong displacement before the retracement. But now, what do we have now? If we should drop to the 1 hour, the structure is still bullish. So obviously we might still keep seeing price continue to go into the highs. So what am I saying here? This is a liquidity point of which we are looking to see price grab, of which price hasn't grabbed. We only have a double bottom here now. So if price should take this liquidity here, then what do we have in this case, we then have liquidity sweep and we're ready to buy again to create another higher high, just like we did here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Just like we did here, we know we have this higher high and this higher high. So this is another higher high, and now we want to create and now we are looking to create another higher high. If we should use our premium and discount too, we already see that okay, price didn't get to the premium, didn't get to the premium price. Like price haven't gotten to the premium of the two. So what are we waiting for now? What are we waiting for now? I would prefer to see price get to that zone, that 50% of the discount. Sorry, not premium. So I would like to see price get to it. If price doesn't drop lower, then what we might probably see is a change of character from this Asian high. Once price takes this Asian high, then we know that price is ready to continue buying. But it would have been preferred to see price drop one more time, because obviously supply is still in control. Until this supply has been broken before we will continue with the longs. But for now, I'm still looking to see price drop. Maybe by London section we will start seeing by London session we will get this one more sweep, and then price will get to the 50% of discount, and then from there we will start going into the highs again. And I think that's all for today. That's the last pair I have for you guys today. So if you like videos like this, if you want to see more videos like this on market outlook and of US dollar pairs and good, if you like to see videos like this, just subscribe, leave a like on the video, drop a comment, drop your thoughts on the comment, and then turn on your notification bell. Peace out, guys. See you guys tomorrow.